morning, good evening, good evening, good evening, good night, good night, good night, whenever it is that you are watching this video, y'all. So I got a late start. A late start today. It is lunchtime. And I just came back from Chicken Salad Lady because I got so much stuff I need to do, but I want to keep it healthy as possible. So I'm about to make them some sandwiches. I'm about to show you how I'm finna make them. And we're going to go ahead and get this vlog started, okay? Alright, y'all. So if y'all been watching me, y'all know we got us a chicken salad, chicken salad chick. So it's a lot of chicken salad in these, okay? So since I'm gonna be very busy today, I said I'm just going to go ahead on and get the chicken salad and then do everything else at home to make it healthy as possible. So I'm using my multi-grain, whole grain, multi-grain bread. I was gonna cut up some tomatoes, but I'm not because, you know, I gotta get some stuff done. So it's been raining like crazy here, and I'm happy because it's good for the garden, y'all. Good for the garden. So y'all see how wide this bread is? Nice and wide. Okay, so this time I picked up, I always get the barbecue. It's Barbie, like a Barbie doll with a Q. Theirs is always good, but this time I got one called Fruity Friend chicken salad. So we're going to be putting these on our sandwiches. You don't need a whole lot because it's so thick. So I'm going to do this. And what I did, I'll show you what else I did. Let me get this on here. So I'm putting, and you'll be able to see I'm doing the kids right now. So I got the barbecue one I'm putting on one side of this. Got enough on there because we don't want no dry sandwiches now. We don't want no dry sandwiches, okay? I like to cover everything. And this one container cost me $12. So it's worth it for me because it's 5 of us in this house. And these sandwiches, you know, and my kids are teenagers. So, well, I have one 18-year-old adult. And then I got 2 teenagers. So, yeah, y'all, at 37 years old, I'm an 87 baby, but I went on and got my kids out the way. For us having them, I went on and had them, y'all. Yes. So, now I'm going to put some of my Fruity Friend. It ain't like I planned it like that, y'all. We just out to getting pregnant back to back within 4 months. Of having one. I learned my lesson, because if I didn't learn my lesson, I probably would have a couple more. So I ain't saying I didn't plan it like that. It just happened like that. But this Fruity Friend got pineapple, grapes, and I think apples in it. So I am putting that on the other side of this. I see what I'm doing? So you got 2 types of chicken salad on this. Alright. So we're like, they put pineapples and grapes in the chicken salad. They got so many different ones. A lot of y'all told me, look, my Mississippi people, y'all said y'all got chicken salad chick there. I ain't never tried this Fruity Friend one. I told you that barley something down right there, man. It didn't agree with my stomach. It didn't agree with nobody's stomach. It was good, but it's something about that kick. So, look at that. And I still got, look, that's 3 sandwiches. I still got a lot of chicken salad. That's why I say $12. I got the meat, and I can, you know, fix the rest of it up. So, what I'm going to do is use my BioLife. We like this one. Mexican style shreds. It is a dairy-free, soy-free, gluten-free, lactose, of course, because it's dairy-free. No nuts or preservatives. It's a plant-based. So we are putting just a little bit on there. Just a little bit. You don't need a lot of it at all. Just a little bit. All right. And then I'm going to top it with some of this. Let me get this cheese off my hand. I'm going to top it with a little bit of this bourbon peach barbecue that we picked up yesterday. Okay, so if y'all saw that haul, we picked it up. I'm just gonna do just a little bit on it, just like that. Yeah, just a little bit on it. Okay, we're gonna close it up, and that is a big sandwich. Okay, so mine's gonna look just like theirs. You got all your multi-grains and stuff in it. And mine's gonna look just like theirs. And that's a nice healthy sandwich to get us going for lunch, y'all. Oh, just look at that. Look at that. So good, so good. Yeah. Alright. It's divine. Really good. I'm out here at Amazing Grace Garden and it looks almost a mess. I'm gonna tell you why. We've been getting so much rain. I ain't been able. So y'all, let me just go ahead and tell you. So you're probably like, why is she talking about Amazing Grace Garden? By the time you get this video, you're gonna know why. Because I am gonna be out here in my garden. I will be bringing some harvests and doing some things out here in my garden. Because this is how it started. This is how it started. On my other channel, you still will be getting gardening over there, but mainly indoor garden. Because I got to thinking, a lot of people don't have a backyard or area to grow food. You can grow food inside. So I say, you know what? The other channel, you probably saw the name change to Amazing Grace Garden 2.0. Because it's gonna be geared around indoor gardening. By the time you see this, you'll already know about that on that channel. But yeah, so yeah, I still will be talking here on Mississippi Girl Life about my garden, getting some things because this is my big outdoor garden. And this is my life. So yeah, that's the little change that I made. It's still having my gardening on here, but it's separate footage. Okay, I'm not doing the same footage. No, it's separate footage per channel. Of course, especially with the other channel, gonna be geared around indoor garden to help y'all with the indoor garden. So y'all probably know by now I done already started setting up my indoor garden. Okay, so yeah, so that's where I'm at. It's hot and humid out here. Let me show y'all something. I gotta come out and get them. Look at that cucumber. Look how big and fat it is. It's a nut out here too. I see one right there. Look at my chickens. We just fed them. I gotta go get a couple things for them. Got them. So I gotta do that. But it's so hot out here. So we try to get out early mornings. We ain't been able to do it. But I got a lot of things to do out here. I see my beans is going crazy over there. But that's gonna be when I get to go out here to do it, to get it. Look at this pretty basil. I gotta go ahead and harvest some of it. Look at this. So much basil. Basil. Hey, y'all. Y'all may hear some crunching because Summer is over there. Decided to eat her food now that she know that I'm about to film, okay? That dog, I tell you. But look, y'all. So, I went to Walmart, okay? Y'all already know, I'm sorry, I was smacking on some gummy Starburst gummies that Kylie had got. I said, give me some of those. It's sour, so I'm sorry for smacking y'all, but it is what it is. But let me tell you. Alright, so I went to Walmart and I went on, I told y'all, get a little bit at a time. Alright? When I say a little bit, I'm not saying one can, okay? We out of that stage of one can, that'll be fine. So, you need to be getting cases, all right? So, I got some whole kernel corn. If y'all watched the vlog that I did and I showed you my updated stockpile, food pantry, okay? And you know, all my stuff either got an expiration, not all my stuff, all my canned vegetables, most of them, has an expiration. Now I'll take y'all back there and show y'all that in a minute. For those of you that did not see it, No, let me see. I have to see. I'll put that video. I have to go back and look at what that video. You can go back and watch that vlog, okay? Of the food pantry, and then you'll know a little bit more in depth. Because I go back there, I'm not gonna go in depth like I did on that video. I went in depth on it, but a lot of my vegetables and stuff was expired either 2024, okay? Now, they're a good way past, I'm talking about almost 10 years past their expiration date. So what I have started doing now is re-upping on my canned goods and stuff that's got a longer expiration date. While I use what the expiration date is already for, you know, already for this year, I'm gonna be using it this year, next year, you know, but I'm gonna be upping, you know, my goods for the next couple years. When I say the next couple years, it's because I got a case of this, and you see, on all my stuff, I write the date here with a permanent marker. This stuff I just got. So the expiration date on this is, go back, let's see, 2027. Y'all see that right there? 2027. I don't know if the lighting letting y'all see it, but it's right there. So these green beans, 2027. This case was about let me see, they 64 cents each. I can't even do the math. 64 cents times, somebody do the thing, 64 cents times 12 on your calculator. I think I want to say about $8.
64 cents
12.
$7.60.
Yeah, I was about right. Close to $8. It was $7 and what?
68.
$7.68 per case. All right. So $7. You're telling me you don't have $7 to go and get a case of vegetables. All right. And that's the same for these corn. So $7.68 per case. All right. So that's how I'm doing it. So this is what I got. And then check out that clearance section, y'all. The clearance section. So look, when you're hungry, okay? I saw this plant-based chili. All right. I think that's going to say 12 grams of protein. But it expires September 2024. That's fine. Because this will be good. This will be good for a couple years. I ain't worried. But it was 56 cents. All right. 56 cents. All right. So I will take it. Look at this right here. This is a kind of source of meat, y'all. 56 cents. This is the hot dog chili sauce, okay? Has a little bit of meat in it, not that too much, but 56 cents, yeah, I'll take it. This is another Pacifica brand, because this is Pacific brand. In that video that I'm talking about, I will put that video, I'll put that video link to my updated thing. I'll put it in the description box. I'll put that link in the description box of this video. For those of you that missed it, you can go and watch it. I did it the other day. It's gonna be in a vlog style, because I'm putting all my stuff, everything in vlog style, okay? So I will put that video where I showed my stockpile, only my food stockpile, not my medical stockpile, not my household stockpile, only my food, okay? So right here is another Pacific Foods brand. It is organic chili, white bean verde, and it was 56 cents. 56 cents. Expiration date on this bad boy, April 2025. 2025. So yeah. So I got 2 of these, all right? And that one is April 2025. So I got 2 of them. Got some more of the hot dog chili sauce. Let's see. That is Best Buy 2020 sale. Let's see. Best Buy on this one. Turn around. 2020 sale. So the only one that's 2024 is this one right here. And that is fine though. But look at these prices. 56 cents, 56 cents, 56. Look at this. 56 cents. Bargain shop, y'all, because we're going to need this food. It's too much going on. You're going to need to stock up on food, okay? You're going to need to stock up on supplies. You're going to need to stock up. You're going to need to stock up. I cannot stress that enough. Some of y'all be saying, just don't try to tell people no, because it may be somebody that come through that may not never heard of me, don't know nothing about me. And me saying it and saying it and saying it may do something to the brain. It's too much going on. We must stock up. I just wanted to come back on here real quick and just, tell y'all, just think about this. $8 can get you a case of something. $8. Just go. And it's a reason why I'm doing Walmart, because a lot of people have Walmart. Now, I am buying from other places when I find it cheap, but a lot of y'all got Walmart, okay? You got Walmart. So that is one reason why I'm doing Walmart stuff, because it's cheaper too, even for me. Just think about it. $8 can get you a case of something every time, once a week, twice a week. That's $16, 2 cases, 24 cans. You can do it, okay? Y'all see everything that's going on? We got to stock up as much as possible. We got to try to have some type of self-sufficiency, for ourselves going on. We got to be self-sufficient in some kind of way, okay? So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog right here. If you don't take nothing else from this vlog, take the fact that too much is going on, and we gotta stock up. We got to stock up the best we can. With that being said, I will see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. Mwah! Y'all be safe, okay? Bye.